My days. Oh my days. Say wallahi. Bro.
That's the vibe. Yeah. USD for the win.
That hit the spot.
That's the vibe. That's the vibe.
Real good, right?
Yep. Wait, who the owner? Oh, you the founder? You made Tasties?
No, my dad.
Your dad?
Yeah.
So you made beef patties?
Yes.
What? That she made beef patties. How did he make it? Like, how did he like come up with it?
That cost up years ago.
That's crazy. Chad,
60 years. This year is 60 years.
she made beef patties. Oh my God. What? I ever tasted a day of my life.
Yeah. Thank you.
All right, we gotta go.
Go back and do that. Napkin, right?
Yeah.
Go on, ranking. The ranking good.
Let's go. Thank you. Bomber clock. Oh my God. Oh my God. Chat, I want another one. Wait, what else I got in the menu? A fish one? Nah, let me chill. Yo! Damn, bro! Look at the detail! Chat, this is hand painted. Hey, man. Thank you, dude. Real talk, bro. This is beautiful. This is really beautiful. Thank you, bro. This is art. W's in the chat, bro. W's in the chat. This is fire. This might be the best one the whole tour. He hand painted this. He got me, Ronaldo, WWE, Jamaica, live, like the travel, Brazil. It's detailed. Love, bro. Love, bro. That's good, bro. I got like, oh, I gotta. Nah, let me get out of here. Stop that shit. Y'all tripping. Y'all just throwing stuff now. Stop that. Ooh, throwing shit now. This is crazy, man. Bro, I'm still hungry, bro. That ain't fill me up. What's that? What's this? Jamaican treats. They're called Jamaican treats. Let's try 'em. Cat, why didn't that fill me up though, bro? That didn't fill me up. Why though? Am I fat?
You got a high metabolism. Gave you this.
A Beyblade? Some kid gave me a Beyblade. Man. What? What talent? What? I heard what Rose just said. What? What? They be so aggressive. They be showing love the whole time. They be like, I love you. I be thinking they be want to do something to me, but. Oh. The kids are crazy. There's a lot of kids.